Well, them front frame horns are really long on these. That's the license plate off of this. Green, like alien pea. Definitely gonna need a new one of those. Heating. I actually got the heating lines unhooked. Got a lot of stuff actually unhooked off of it. It won't run no more. The IDEM is shot, but I've been labeling stuff. Yeah, it's over here. Yeah, oh, there's my wrench. Sure. I'll film that too and put that on YouTube.
Oh, it's fine. I'm gonna move your bowl.
You throw them off on the ground. I don't care. Yeah, the frame is definitely pulled. It might be bent. It's actually further back than it's supposed to be. Looking at the alignment of the bump stop, it's definitely moved some. Yeah, the coil or the coil spring's actually set and rocked back. But the question is the frame supposed to be bent back there? Like it's got a whoop-de-doo in her. Yeah, that frame is cooked. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.